about to start a rhinoplasty and I want to walk you through how I do it. So if you look here, the patient's main concern is the shape of her profile. As you can see, she has a very large hump, and then the tip of the nose kind of points down, giving her a very flat type of appearance. So the main thing we're going to work on today is getting this profile very beautiful and elegant, very feminine, and then raising the tip and giving her better definition. So I'm all done with the rhinoplasty. As you can see, if you come on in, you can see the incredible transformation of her profile. Beautiful, elegant, feminine profile with the most little subtle hint of a slope. The tip is significantly higher, but still very natural with much more definition. Overall, just a spectacular looking result. If you come to the front, you'll see here that the nose has a beautiful width, and then the tip has incredible definition. Just a fantastic result. Exactly what the patient was hoping for, and I know that she is going to be very happy.